Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to show you how I make my grilled cheese sandwiches. I know everybody probably knows how to make a grilled cheese sandwich, but I'm just going to show you the way that I make it. So I took some mild block cheese and just grated it up on a box grater, and you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. I have a little bit of softened butter, some regular sandwich bread, and I like to put mayonnaise on mine. That's the way my mama made them for me growing up. If you don't like mayonnaise, you can leave it out, but I love mayonnaise on it. And I just have me a small non-stick skillet that I'm going to go ahead and put on like a medium high. Now I'm going to put a little mayonnaise on my bread. And I'm just going to lay my cheese on top of the mayonnaise, and you can just slice your cheese up real thin if you don't want to grate it up. And now I'm going to spread some butter all over my bread on both sides. Now I'm going to lay this in my pan and butter the other side. Put the butter side down. Now I'm going to butter the other side of my bread. Now I'm just going to let this cook just a few minutes until it starts to get toasty on the one side, and then we'll flip it. It's ready to flip. Now just gently press down on it a little bit. And now we're going to toast up the other side. Now I'm going to flip it back over. Gently press down. Okay, I flipped it back over. I flip it several times so that the cheese will have time to melt. And just gently press down on it. You can also lift it up to see. And now it's done. Now I'm just going to cut it in half. Real good. And I'm going to let this set for a minute just to cool before I bite into it. And I like to dip mine in ketchup. I think it just tastes real good that way. But it's going to be real good. The cheese is oozing out of it. And so I hope you enjoy.